When you search for jump starters, everything looks the same. Same flashy features, same bold claims. But to find what really matters when your car won't start, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Gulu GP4000. This jump starter packs a serious punch with 4,000 amps of peak power, and it's designed to jumpstart all gas engines and diesel engines up to 10.0 liters. It's priced competitively in the market, making it an attractive option if you want reliability without breaking the bank. If you want a powerful and reliable jump starter, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the GP4000 is a solid choice. It features a boost button that can jumpstart your car even if the battery voltage is extremely low, giving you peace of mind during emergencies. Plus, it can restart your vehicle up to 60 times on a full charge, so you won't be left stranded. The dual USB charging ports and Type-C port mean you can charge your devices too. With over 2,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear many drivers trust this product. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it's bulkier than expected. Here's the thing though, the extra weight comes from the powerful battery, and most users find that it's still portable enough to fit in a glove box or trunk without any issues. This is perfect for you if you drive a variety of vehicles or need something heavy-duty. Skip this one if you want something ultra-compact to carry around every day. For what you get, it's a great value. Now, if the size of the GP4000 concerns you, the next one might be a better fit for portability. Product number 2, Gulu A5, which is actually a 4-in-1 solution. This jump starter not only provides 4,000 A peak power for starting vehicles, but it also includes an air compressor, a 20,000 mAh battery for your devices, and an LED light. It's priced to compete with others in the market, and if you want a multifunctional device, this is worth a serious look. The A5 stands out because it can jumpstart all gas vehicles and diesel engines up to 10.0 liters. The built-in air compressor is a game changer. It inflates tires quickly, going from 30 to 36 psi in under 2 minutes. This means you can get back on the road faster, and who doesn't want that? With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, you can charge your phone or other devices multiple times on a single charge. However, some users mention that the air compressor can get a bit noisy. Honestly, it's something to consider if you're sensitive to sound, but many find the functionality outweighs this minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you take long road trips or want an all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you're only looking for a jump starter without any extra features. Given its multiple uses, it offers great value for your money. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those focused solely on extreme performance. Product number 3, Noco Boost X GBX55. We have the Noco Boost X GBX55. This jumpstarter is rated at 1750 A, making it capable of jumpstarting gas engines up to 7.5 liters and diesel engines up to 5.0 liters. It's designed with safety in mind, which is great if you're worried about potential mishaps. If you want something compact yet powerful, this is worth a serious look. The GBX55 features upgraded spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, so you can jumpstart your vehicle with confidence. It recharges in just 1.2 hours through USB-C, and you can even get enough power for a jumpstart in just 5 minutes. That's super convenient for emergencies. It's also small enough to fit in your backpack, which is a plus. Now, some customers have pointed out that it doesn't hold a charge as long as they'd like, but the quick recharge time makes it easy to top off before a trip, so it's not a deal breaker if you remember to maintain it. This is perfect for you if you need something portable for smaller vehicles or motorcycles. Skip this one if you want a high-capacity jump starter for larger engines. It's a solid investment for its size and performance. Now, if you're looking for something more heavy-duty, the next product on our list will definitely impress. Product number 4, Schumacher SC1445. Let's talk about the Schumacher SC1445, a manual 10A car battery charger and 250A engine starter. This one is a bit different because it's designed for those who want control over the charging process. At around $189.99, it's priced higher, but if you're serious about battery maintenance, this is worth a serious look. The SC1445 delivers a powerful 250 amp engine start, which is great for reviving dead batteries quickly. With a 135-minute timer, you can customize the charging process, ensuring your batteries get exactly what they need. It's built for durability with a steel case and solid wheels, making it ideal for garage use. However, some users find it a bit cumbersome due to its larger size and weight. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a garage or workshop, the size won't matter as much compared to the performance it delivers. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY mechanic or need it for fleet vehicles. Skip this one if you need something portable for on-the-go use. Given its capabilities, it's a good value for the serious user. Finally, we have something that combines power with modern features for those who want the latest tech. Product number 5. Gulu GT6000. The Gulu GT6000, which boasts a massive 6000A peak power. This jumpstarter not only starts all gas engines and diesel engines up to 12.0 liters, but it also has 100-watt fast charging capabilities. If you want the ultimate performance and convenience, this is worth a serious look. What I love about the GT6000 is its quick charging feature. You can go from 0% to 100% in just 1.4 hours. Plus, it's compact enough to fit into your bag. It also includes a 3.2-inch LED display that shows the device's status, making it user-friendly. The multiple safety features mean you can jumpstart your vehicle with a lot of confidence. However, I've seen some complaints about the initial learning curve of using the display. Honestly, it might take a moment to figure it out, but most users end up loving the advanced features once they do. This is perfect for you if you want the latest technology in your jumpstarter. Skip this one if you don't need the extra power or features. Given its specifications, it's definitely worth the price for what you get. The top 5 jumpstarters. The Gulu GP4000 offers powerful reliability. The A5 gives you multifunctionality. The Noco Boost X GBX55 is compact and safe. The Schumacher SC1445 is for those who need control. And the Gulu GT6000 combines power with modern features. No matter which one you choose, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're prepared for any roadside emergency.